I suppose it actually, you have a different way to be happy. There's not only one way, I think, you're happy with. It depends also on the moment of your life, I suppose. That's what I've been experiencing. But anyway, just like what it comes first in my mind is the relationship, for example, with my children. I know it's pretty obvious, I suppose, like, is that all? Is that it? I know, but, nothing really in my life I've been giving more happiness than my children. And the relationship that I have with them is not easy. It's not like you put in the world this creature and like, okay, you're now a father and now you're happy. It's not like this, because there's many things that you do wrong, many things you need to learn. And every time I learn something, and I think I succeed with them with the relationship, then I'm pretty happy, and I'm very happy, and I think it's one of the purpose of the life. Besides that, happiness is sometimes coming from sacrifice, and I can tell you that I've been doing a lot of sacrifice in my life. I didn't get a job like this, or I studied long years. Sometimes I would just had the feeling to give up. But when I succeed in something, even a small subject on university, or finish the military service, or get the job that I wanted, or get outside, I get what I really want to, I've been working and doing sacrifice for, that is really almost the, not eye level, but it's really a lot of happiness, if I can put in a few words. Another thing give me happiness is that I never give up to learn, both learning some knowledge, like something new at work, or maybe, like, for example, lately I play the trumpet, but now I want to play the piano, even though I've got my age. But if I want to learn also something also physical, say for example I want to do yoga or swimming better, so I know that you need concentration, you need focus, you need to believe in something, you need, again, doing sacrifice. And once I get there, maybe I'm not the best swimmer, maybe I'm not the best yoga person, but when I try and I manage to do like a level that I'm happy with, again, that gives me a lot of happiness. Maybe last thing is like, I love to, how can I say, exchange an opinion and a way of thinking, a way of life with different people in the world. So I know that Italian thinks different than French, and then Americans thinks different that like Australian. So I try always to find the middle ground, if you want, and understand what you can get, the best you can get for this culture. So yeah, that's happiness.